Um, Hi, I am Mary Claine M. Villanueva. I'm from the Philippines and I'm currently 19 years old, and this is day one of me asking for donation to Mr. Beast. And I know this is kinda impossible, but I'm going to continue this just in case that Mr. Beast has going to watch my video about me asking for donation. The cost for the donation is for me to buy a laptop that I've been saving for a long time since I'm in high school, and I really can't afford it because my parents won't let me work, and I'm only depending on a scholarship, and it has a small amount of money, and I can support myself to buy a new laptop. And the ones that I'm using for to create a PowerPoint presentation is only my phone. The ones that I have been using right now to record myself and other documents that I need in college. And I am currently a second year college student here in the Philippines. And the other device that I have been using just this last 5 months is this outdated iPad, and I don't know what version this is, but I I'm just using the notes in here. And yeah, I'm asking for donation to Mr. Beast. Whatever amount that is, I will accept it with all of my heart, and I will be grateful for that, and I will remember it until this day. So yeah, this is day one as me asking donations to Mr. Beast. And guys, please help me make this video reach Mr. Beast, and it will be a great help for me. That's all. Thank you. Love from the Philippines.